If they're unable to fix the problem, like Steven said, you have to pick a lane in Maine, basically. So within that 3-year or 18,000-mile time frame, you have to either submit your claim through the state's attorney general's office, or you have to go through whatever informal dispute resolution program your manufacturer subscribes to. So the attorney general's office, they will hold an arbitration or a hearing to decide whether your vehicle meets the requirements for lemon law. The unfortunate part of the Maine Attorney General's office is that they don't award attorney's fees. It's kind of like New York, right? So while it's a great program to have, unfortunately, most consumers have to do it on their own because otherwise you'd have to pay for an attorney to attend with you. But Maine leaves it open, right? You don't have to have an attorney, but if you do bring one, even though the state lemon law says, should the consumer prevail, attorney's fees should be awarded, the Attorney General's office makes it very clear that they won't be doing that. So the alternative then that we would use is the Informal Dispute Resolution Program, which is the BBB or NCDS. And Courtney, I'll let you expand on what those two programs are.
So NCDS and BBB are very comparable to the Attorney General's office. However, unlike the Attorney General's office, it is only going to be binding on the manufacturer. So in other words, if you succeed and you're awarded a lemon law repurchase, the manufacturer does then have to follow through with that. If you don't succeed, you can then go ahead and file an actual legal claim in the courts, which will award attorney fees, so it enables you to use an attorney. Sure, you can pay your own attorney fees if you go to the Attorney General's office or NCDS or BBB and want an attorney, but typically in a lemon law case, you're not going to be receiving enough money back to make that worth it for you. So that's typically why these statutes are fee-shifting statutes. Typically, people only want attorneys for these cases if the manufacturer is going to pay for their attorney fees.